Welcome back, guys, Crypto Follow channel. Let's try to find the local entry for the Starknet. Stark USDT trading pair with my customer set. What's going on now? First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the video what I posted yesterday, how I lost some amount of my Starknet. It's kind of weird situation with the wallet. And it's not a hack, it's totally different story. So I highly recommend you go and check the video. Link will be under the description below. Will be interesting for you if you hold the Starknet. So just watch. Also yesterday the Solana just laughing on the Starknet and kind of true. So I cannot agree with the Sol because they mock Starknet, and Starknet just answered with some video of Gabriela. So the Starknet has 8 daily active users, 10 daily transactions, and still somehow has 1 billion market capitalization and 15 billion FDV. Now, set it to 0. Yes, I'm holding Starknet, but I will agree. So we should send it to 0. Because yes, it's a fact. This stupid new tokens, like a new system with the craziest farming of airdrop, when they farm, the people just farm activity to get airdrop, but when they receive the airdrop, nobody uses it. There's 0 active users. So even the people use Sol, at least even for the meme coins, so they trade it. Every single day, the people use the Sol for transactions, you know, the TradeFi now on the Sol. But nobody use in real life, for example, the Starknet. Now they run the Bitcoin staking. Maybe it will help, you know, but the chart looks absolutely weird. And of course, the many tokens looks with the same chart. On the Binance with a spike on a monthly time frame, like $7 to 3 cents. It's kind of mind blowing, and there's no real users. So this, I agree with Sol. All right, let's focus on the daily time frame and a local one. Daily, no signal to buy yet, and I add my alert here, so I'm waiting the entry. Global targets, guys, you remember we trade on the listing price, so technically the initiation accumulation pump model invalidated. So it means if we drop under 20 cents Starknet lowest listing price based on an initiation accumulation pump model, it means everything what is under this level is just a price discovery mode. We can't know where we're gonna stop. Done. Next, local zones, I add my alert here for futures. I'm waiting the correction. Would be good to see the correction where I will maybe try open a long position with the futures with the second leverage, maybe with the third leverage. I don't want to touch the Starknet for the spot, no matter what will happen next with this token, right? Even if we pump from 6 cents to $5, I don't care. I just gonna trade it now with the futures. So would be good to see the test of $7 cents and 6 cents 09. So this block, this is my zone of futures. I add alerts before, so I'm track it. Now we hold the line and trade it in tiny range. So we traded here since 15 days, imagine 15 days, 2 weeks, we trade just in time range 9.21, 8 cents. So everything totally programmed before with the algorithm. That's why I will be not surprised if we just reject and drop it down to 7 cents. BTC can drop, for example, to 90K in the next few days. I hope not. But it's possible, and the Starknet will crash to 7, and I will start looking to open entry. For me, it looks like also the ICP chart. I would like this one. So compare the charts, just a difference in time. So here, this is a week, pump, we drop it down. ICP consolidates December 18 till basically January 12, so over the months, and now pump it. So the same story can be with the Starknet. So if we consolidate it here, would be good to see something like this one, and that pump it to this block where we need to fix some swing trade positions. if we talk about a local one, because global targets, of course, if all market will recover back, yes, the main target is still relevant for the Starknet. I think just like speculation, yes, we're going to reach this level in the future and this level. So the monthly block, monthly gap. Locally, 12 time frame, we saw the signal take profit buy, recommendation close position. Now, no signal to buy and no signal to take profit on the daily. On a daily, my alert's still active. So like you can see the green one alert. So I'm waiting. Let's hide the FIB and double check with the other indicators what's going on now. So buy, take profit signal. Here, it's for a daily time frame from sell, take profit signal, I'm waiting. So the boring chop can be like this one and the sweep. Next trouble area where we need to fix a profit, it's a 27 block of that FIB, and it's a 200 EMA, 1377. So if we talk about futures trades, let's say we can open trade like this one, 10% stop loss, 20 with the second leverage. It's the same like people say, oh, 20% stop loss, how is it even possible? What are you talking about, guys? It's absolutely the same story like you trade with a 10x leverage, but it was a 2%. 2% up, 2% stop loss, it's 20% stop loss with your money, with 10x. So this is the same story like 10% stop loss, 10% with the second leverage. So yes, it's just a matter of leverage, not the size of your position. So this one, it can be, so 20 against the 180. So this is it. It can be the pretty good trade if we will reach that targets. So we can hide EMA, ADZ direction. Now we're in accumulation, but being in accumulation, now we're in the middle. So I wish to see the drop in the format that they were in on a 12 time frame. Now no signal to buy or sell on a 12 time frame based on direction indicator. Middle on, so it's neutral, you know, on a daily. So I wish to see the drop and the variance. Weekly, I can say, yes, it's like a divergence, but it's closer to the middle. So it's not a crazy accumulation, but it's good. It's good, but so we focus on the local one. Let's hide this one. Take profit I showed you. Market mood, of course, I totally understand. It's a total capitulation was here in the December. Now it's like a trail. We start looking at a trail. Daily still disbelief. That's why it's bullish. That's why I'm looking the open long position, not short. You know, I don't think so. We're gonna drop again on the 2 cents 99. That's why I wish to see this drop, sweep liquidity, and go higher. Because now it's total disbelief. A weekly time frame, of course, it's total capitulation. Nobody care about a Starknet. I'm also don't care. I totally don't care about a Starknet. I'm just looking this for speculation. And trade on, I showed you. Let me show you the money power. This one, money power, money in, money out. Now nothing. Some news. Oh. It's just about a soul mock, the Starknet. 12 time frame, money in, now nothing. So guys, add alert to the money in on the 12 time frame and a daily time frame. Add alert to take profit from the sell, and you can also add alerts to here. It's not financial advice, guys. I just share my idea. If I will open trade, I will share it on Twitter. So highly recommend you also follow the Twitter account. All information totally for free. Highly recommend you also follow and join the free Telegram channel. If you would like to trade with my customer site and add the same alerts, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time.